Welcome everyone. Join us on a fun journey to learn English through stories. In this video, you'll listen to the story, Tony's Daily Routine. It is filled with useful words and expressions that are commonly used in everyday English conversations. This is an excellent opportunity for you to practice and enhance your English listening and speaking skills. This video consists of 4 parts. We'll start by introducing and explaining some interesting and useful words that appear in today's story. The storytelling session comes next. Following that, take a short quiz to test your understanding of the story. Finally, we'll conclude with a speaking practice. First, let's learn some interesting and useful words that are in the story. An early bird refers to a person who gets up very early. Example: as an early bird, I prefer to wake up before dawn and enjoy the peaceful morning hours. If people are packed like sardines, they are very close together in a small place and they cannot move. Example: people were packed like sardines on the train. When the word file is used as a verb, it means to keep documents in a particular place so that you can find them easily. Example: the documents are filed alphabetically under the name of the company. Hustle and bustle refers to a busy and noisy environment filled with activity and movement. Example: Rita is tired of the hustle and bustle of the city. A colleague is a person that you work with. Example: I enjoy working with my colleagues as we support and collaborate with each other. On the stroke of something is an idiom used for indicating the exact moment or time. Example: the meeting started on the stroke of 10. Pack up means to put your things into your bag before leaving a place. Example: we are about to pack up our things and go home. Unwind means to relax and stop thinking about problems. Example: it is good for us to spare some time to unwind or to commune with nature. Pyjamas refers to a soft pair of trousers and a top that people wear in bed. Example: after a long day, I slipped into my pyjamas and felt relaxed. Anticipate means to expect that something will happen. Example: we anticipate that things will get better in the future. Now, sit back and listen to the story.
This is Tony. He is an early bird. He wakes up at 5 in the morning and goes for a jog. Jogging helps him start the day with energy. He usually jogs around the park nearby. After jogging, he has a bath, dresses himself in work clothes, and has breakfast. He usually makes toast and eggs, with a cup of strong coffee. By 7 a.m., Tony leaves home for work. He takes the bus, which is often very crowded in the morning. He is packed like sardines. He arrives at the office by 8 a.m. and begins his working day as a clerk. His tasks include filing documents, answering phone calls, and arranging schedules. The office is always very busy, but he enjoys the hustle and bustle. He breaks for lunch at 1 p.m. He usually eats lunch at his desk. He loves chatting with his colleagues during lunchtime, enjoying the chance to tell jokes and make them laugh. When lunch is over, everyone gets back to work, On the stroke of 5 p.m, Tony starts packing up as it is about time to go home. Once he gets home, he usually cooks something simple but tasty. After dinner, he washes the dishes and has a bath. Before bed, he reads novels as reading helps him unwind after work. At around 10 p.m, he changes into his pajamas, brushes his teeth and gets into bed. He usually falls asleep quickly, eagerly anticipating the start of a new day.
Now it's time to test your understanding of the story. There are 4 questions in total. Answer the questions. Question 1. Tony does not like doing exercise. Question 2. Tony goes to work by taking public transportation. Question 3. Tony works outdoors. Question 4. When Tony gets home from work, he likes to relax with the newspaper. Here comes the speaking practice. Read the lines on the screen out loud.
This is Tony. He is an early bird. He wakes up at 5 in the morning and goes for a jog. Jogging helps him start the day with energy. He usually jogs around the park nearby. After jogging, he has a bath, dresses himself in work clothes, and has breakfast. He usually makes toast and eggs with a cup of strong coffee. By 7 a.m, Tony leaves home for work. He takes the bus, which is often very crowded in the morning. He is packed like sardines. He arrives at the office by 8 a.m. and begins his working day as a clerk. His tasks include filing documents, answering phone calls, and arranging schedules. The office is always very busy, but he enjoys the hustle and bustle. He breaks for lunch at 1 p.m. He usually eats lunch at his desk. He loves chatting with his colleagues during lunchtime, enjoying the chance to tell jokes and make them laugh. When lunch is over, everyone gets back to work. On the stroke of 5 p.m, Tony starts packing up as it is about time to go home. Once he gets home, he usually cooks something simple but tasty. After dinner, he washes the dishes and has a bath. Before bed, he reads novels as reading helps him unwind after work. At around 10 p.m., he changes into his pajamas, brushes his teeth, and gets into bed. He usually falls asleep quickly, eagerly anticipating the start of a new day.
If you like our video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.